Our marketing piece is really people. And so that's kind of hard to tell because we're not selling a product. But the best way to do that, and the only way to do that, is really to tell the stories of the people that we serve.
We are a business that sells through word of mouth. And what is word of mouth referral? It's somebody told me a story that was so compelling that I had to reach out to Marsha Marsh. My mother creates raving fans, and the best way to do that is to have a story that you can assimilate to.
Having a platform like ours to do so is really important, and getting those stories out there is one of our largest marketing goals.
Our partnership with Revox Media over the past several years has increased our awareness in the city. And from that, our messaging, what they are hearing, the stories that they're seeing through video has increased our revenues.
Revox has been great for our exposure, especially on social media platforms. So when it came to telling the story, I would not have been able to plan. That's not what I do. I sell real estate. Incredible opportunity to work with Revox because it was all right there and very little preparation for me except for telling the story.
We were able to really do what our mission is here for, which is celebrating our nonprofits, and storytelling is such a big part of that recognition process. We were here, there, all over the place with Revox, and we couldn't have done it without them.
At Revox, we believe everyone's story is significant and it deserves to be heard. I started Revox Media because I genuinely loved meeting new people who owned businesses or led organizations that were driven by a clear cause and wanted to have a positive impact on people's lives. Are you ready to share your story? Let's do this together. Visit revoxmedia.com to get started.